Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to today's video. And if you see Nifty being very volatile, but Bank Nifty being completely bullish throughout the day. Bank Nifty up 1.9% and Nifty up just Nifty down 0.18%. So definitely a lot of divergence, and that was a bit of expected, but not expected in the way that Bank Nifty has done today. Because Bank Nifty, if you see up 1.9%, maybe if Bank Nifty would have been up, let's say 0.9% or 0.7%, that would have been acceptable, but Bank Nifty is up 1.9% and Nifty is down 0.18%. So definitely a lot of divergence. But for tomorrow, what we can do is very simple. First of all, let's talk about Nifty. In Nifty, if you see market opened with a gap up, came down a little bit, could not make positive price action and continued to move down. And as I said that we will only sell if we see price action below 23,420. And if we see markets exactly taking support from that range and then starting to move from there. So I hope you guys would have at least saved your money by not selling over there. And then on the upside, if you see market being pretty volatile throughout the day, so can't really do anything. Now for Nifty, the level that needs to be watched out tomorrow is 23,630 to 640. If we start going above this range, then we can easily see 23,700 first of all, and then even 23,800 on the upside. So tomorrow's level will be 23,640, but what should happen before 23,640 is broken is that market should consolidate in this area for some time, right? Once the market consolidates in this area and then starts to break out about 23,640, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till the target of 23,700 first of all, and then 23,800 on the upside. At lower level, same level, 23,420. Until unless we start making negative price action below 23,420, we will not do anything, right? Because that is the important level to watch out for. Another important thing that you need to watch out is this trend line that is coming in Nifty, from where Nifty took a very good support today also, right? So this trend line also, if you see market, only if the market sustains below this trend line by going below 23,420 is where we will see a market going down and basically coming down till 23,350 first of all. And if that breaks, then we can see a little bit more correction till 23,250 also on the downside, right? So that is the plan for tomorrow on the downside. Now what might happen is that market might come down, Nifty might come down, break this trend line on the downside, and then again reverts back up. So if market does that, market goes below this trend line, comes back up and starts making positive price action above this trend line. So what I'm trying to say is I'm also going to make this for you guys so that it is easier. Let's say market opens with a gap down, goes down below the trend line, comes back up, and then if the market makes a higher high above this trend line, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here, because then a lot of sellers will be trapped and then the market can continue to move up on the market can start to go on the upside very well from there. Then you can keep easily a target of 23,580 first of all, and then 23,640 to 630 on the upside. So that is for Nifty. Now talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, just a second. Yes. Now talking about Bank Nifty, for Bank Nifty, the important level to be watched out is this zone. Now, a lot of people would have taken a bullish trade once we would have gone above this zone, and they would still be holding because market has closed above that zone. So now what the market can do is that market might come down below this zone, right? So that a lot of people stop losses get hit. And then from there, if the market is again going back above 51,260, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. So what do I mean by that is I'm going to, let's say market opens flat or with a little bit of gap down somewhere near 51,300, goes below this zone and takes support from, let's say, 51,000 over here. And then once the market is again breaking out 51,260 over here, you guys can then go ahead and take a bullish trade at this point. So what will happen over here is that a lot of people who would have taken bullish positions over here, they will be forced to exit with their stop loss, right? So after that, once the market starts to move, then we will go ahead and take a bullish trade in the market over there, right? So I hope that is very clear. Now the level that needs to be watched out is 51,000. If we start sustaining below 51,000, then we can see a little bit of correction till 50,750 on the downside. And then if 50,007 Hey, 50,750 to 600, this area, if this is broken, then we will not move down very clearly. You must have thought that I will say that we will move down, but no, we will not move down very clearly over there. After that, this whole zone of 50,400 to 50,750 is an important zone. This needs to be watched out for, because if this is broken, then we have a little bit more correction left on the downside till 50,000. So for Bank Nifty at lower levels, the range is not very clear. It looks like the movement that we'll get on the downside is not really very clear as of now. Now, when will we get a very good momentum is below 49,600, or let's say 49,800. Once market breaks this range on the downside, only then will we have a very clear fall in the market. Until then, we have multiple supports on the downside where the market could go and take support. So for now, on the downside, even if you want to sell, take a little bit of a less aggressive stance as compared to buying. If you want to buy, then think about buying. But sorry, if you want to buy, then go aggressive. But if you want to sell, then be a little bit cautious and go with a little less quantity, at least until unless we get a bearish closing in the market, or some sort of a bearish candle is formed in the daily charts. So for tomorrow, if we sustain below 51,050 for let's say 15 minutes, and then start to make negative price action, then you guys can go ahead and take a short trade till 50,800 to 750 on the downside. That will be only your target for 200 points. I don't think for tomorrow we will get a very big trend on the downside. Yes, we've seen a little bit of profit booking, but I think that was expected. If you're expecting Bank Nifty to go from 50,500 to 51,800, this sort of profit booking is also pretty normal, and it is not really a sign of bearishness as of now, as of today. Now tomorrow, if we do see a follow towards the selling, and we see a sharp selling tomorrow also like this, which takes us to 50,600, then this is a thing of a then this is something that we need to worry about. But as of now, it is not really something that you need to worry about. Now Nifty, the target of 24,000 is still intact. Do not worry about that. I'm not going to say that the target of 24,000 is not valid or anything as of now. Still, we are going to move on the upside and go till 24,000. And yes, as I had said that once we close about 2600, 24,000 is coming. Now from there, if you see, market has already moved out 1,000 points, and now we still have a little bit of you can say journey that is left to be done. And yes, this will be a bit of a painful journey, I feel. But we never know what might happen tomorrow. Nifty might move up 300-400 points and close near 23,800. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.